is Lucy Keeler and I'm the curator of Vivid Light. This year, we are looking for artists in unique and interesting places, making work that no one expects. It's your opportunity, your playground to make something that is creative, innovative, and really unexpected. Applications are closing soon. Here are a few tips and tricks for you to finish off your submission. Tip 1. Unfortunately, we aren't mind readers. Make sure that your submission clearly reflects your idea.
And the better your presentation, obviously, the easier it is for the viewer to see what you are seeing in front of your inner eye, what your vision is. Being able to prepare a kind of quick and fast elevator pitch that you can kind of tell to people when they ask you what your work is really useful, because you're going to be asked that question a lot.
Number 2, what is the experience of the work and why are you making it?
Like in any good design process, think about your target audience first. Like, who are you designing it for and why?
Number 3, your submission is only going to be as strong as the time that you give it. Make sure you don't leave it to the last minute.
It's really important to create a series of technical drawings for your submission for Vivid Sydney to allow the team to understand the size, the scope, the scale and the weight of the work. But I would advise that it's important to leave yourself enough time to work through the renders and the creative drawings.
So don't forget about maintenance, don't forget about ballast, don't forget about how you're going to transport this thing, how you're going to wire it, how you're going to fix it on site.
Don't be scared to give it a go. The Vivid Sydney team is here to help you from your concept through to final delivery.
I would advise, lean on the technical team. They're really fantastic and they'll be able to help guide your process in the way that you execute your artwork.
Go bold, be creative, don't be afraid to submit anything.
My final advice would be just do it. Get your submission in and let's make this a great festival.